Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Forex Trader Pro indicator for MT4 and how to use the indicator to trade any currency pair of your choice. Okay, so first of all you have to go to the Forex Geek website. You can find the link in the description, the link to download this indicator. Right, you're going to find the link to the web page, to this web page, in the description. So once you come here, you just click on this download button, this download link. When you click on it, you're going to download the indicator. Okay, and then you add the indicator file to your MT4 indicators folder. Okay, so now you come to any chart of your choice. You just have to refresh your navigator. After you do that, you just drag and drop the Forex trader on your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then under your input, you can see the different customizable settings here. You can modify the settings according to your taste. Okay, however you want the indicator to be displayed, you just modify the settings here and you click OK. All right, so basically we can see that this indicator helps traders to identify market direction. All right, so it gives its signals, via these arrows. You can see here we had an upward arrow formed here indicating a buy signal, an upward arrow formed here indicating a buy signal. And then in addition to that, you can see that the indicator also displays pips movement, right? So you can see that it is showing. Let's just go to a higher time frame, all right, to just confirm the changes in values. All right, so you can see it's showing between here to here there was plus 248. Between here to here we had plus 614. Between here to here we had plus 878, and so on and so forth, right? All right, so whatever time frame that you are using, you're going to see the different values accordingly, and then you're going to see your signals are given in the form of these arrows. All right, so it's a very straightforward indicator that can give you helpful information. Okay, remember to always pay attention to your market structure, pay attention to price action, and do not depend on a single indicator alone. Okay, now don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more updates on this channel concerning everything Forex. Cheers and see you in the next video.